Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add gravity forms to Elementor. First, you will need to install and activate both the Gravity Forms and Elementor plugins on your WordPress website. Make sure you have a valid Gravity Forms license to access all its powerful features. Once activated, open the Elementor editor on the page or post where you want to display your form. Now, within the Elementor editor, search for the Gravity Form widget in the left-hand panel. Simply drag and drop this widget onto your page where you wish the form to appear. After placing it, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the exact gravity form you want to embed from your existing forms. It's a straightforward process. With your form embedded, it is time to make it look great. Elementor offers extensive styling options to customize your gravity form. You can easily adjust the appearance of field labels, input fields, and the Submit button to perfectly match your website's design. Explore the advanced settings for fine-tuning padding, margins, and ensuring your form is fully responsive across all devices. Before making your form live, always preview your Elementor page to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Take a moment to submit a test entry through the form yourself. This confirms that data is being collected properly and any notifications are sent. Once you are satisfied, simply publish or update your Elementor page, and your new gravity form will be live for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.